Now to begin, so scoop up the wax, and now I'm just mixing the pigment through into the wax before I apply it. And you'll see it has the red and the blue coming through because the wax already has a bit of blue inside of it. So now it's looking a bit more purple, but the red will slowly start to come through. Add some white. You need to get it before it sets, or otherwise the colours don't merge properly. Back to the red. Always trying to make sure I cover as much of the corners as I can. These boards are beautiful, they finish really nicely. So the wax just seamlessly flows over the edges. You can see how good the white works with the red. Just in here, it's all flowing nicely. Add in a bit more bit of brown now. Brown's a nice contrast amongst the red. It's all about just working different directions and angles to get the wax to flow together. So bring more of that purple across now, just to even it out with what's on the other side. Now, at this stage, I'd call that done, and I'll come back to it later to work out what else to do with it.